13 years ago, in the year of our Lord, 2012, starring John Cusack, and who else is in this? John Malkovich in 2012? I believe he is. I think he's the crazy guy in Yellowstone. Tony 2012, never forget. There was a song that was released, though, in that year that really changed the way I think a lot of people viewed commerce and shopping more generally. That song was none other than Thrift Shop by Macklemore. And I'm sorry for bringing that up if you guys are affected by that. I feel like it has like the same kind of cultural impact as like Harlem Shake or what's the one, the dance move, Gangnam Style. You know, it's that same kind of thing where it's like, it was very corny at the time, but everyone was into it, but everyone also like recognized that it was corny. The song came out, it was gangbusters, but it did get people to go to the thrift shop more. They wanted to find fur coats and scooters and all sorts of crazy zany stuff. The reason I bring all this up is because that element is tantamount to today's video topic, which is, can you still get a good film camera at a thrift store in 2026? To answer this question, I took 3 of the smartest people that I know, or at least 3 of the people that would answer my calls, and I dragged them out to the coast, to a little town called Astoria, Oregon, and we plundered the many thrift stores there to see what we could see. And we began our journey at a Goodwill. All right, so Taylor, what do you expect to find at this Goodwill here?
Expect to find? Very little. Hope to find. You'll probably hate me for this, but maybe like a Minolta X700.
Okay.
At least type camera.
That's a very realistic pick, I think.
I feel like if I was going to find something, it would be in that family, that range of camera. But maybe a point and shoot.
I want to go home. It's cold out here. Don't expect a lot. I'm hoping that there will be a point and shoot camera. That's best bet. Maybe one of those toy point and shoot cameras.
Okay.
Shout out to Shutterbug.
Yeah.
The entire water bottle just started shooting out the spout and it got all over the person next to it. So don't take that type of water bottle on a plane.
Just excited to see them.
Is this on? We're at the Goodwill. My whole life, I've always wanted to find a Argus C3, so that's what I'm really hoping for today. Bit of a dream camera of mine, so that's what I'm looking for.
Now, the reason we started our journey out at this Goodwill is, 1, it was on the way, and 2, I wanted to kind of prove a bit of a point. You see, the last few years, something very strange has happened in Goodwills, and that's that they've discovered the internet. This is kind of a negative, I would say, a detriment to people like you and I who are going there to try to get a good deal or to try to find interesting stuff. The prices have all been jacked up because they know what they got, or even worse yet, they take all of the stuff that's actually valuable and then they try to sell it online through their janky-ass Goodwill auction site where the prices are so overinflated, it's just not even worth it. Eagle-eyed viewers might remember 3 years ago when I bought 70 pounds of garbage from Goodwill online. Yeah, you can do that too if you want to. It will cost you double what it cost me then, and the quality has only gone down, but I still felt like it was worth it to at least check out the Goodwill. But of course we found no cameras. And the same could be said for a lot of the thrift stores in Astoria specifically. Thoughts?
I mean, winter's almost over.
We did go into this one store that did have a little display of cameras, but it was not for sale.
It really is.
But just as all hope was lost, as we had crossed off nearly every thrift store in Astoria off of our list to visit, we stumbled into the last one, and down there, hidden in the basement, forgotten to time, we found film cameras. you've got analog. C3
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty hyped on this, honestly.
Yeah, it's sick. Ooh.
Take that back. I don't think this works. Damn, that's too bad. That would be really
Yeah, that would have been cool.
Did you try the...
There is a pack of Kodak Gold.
Oh! Got a fight over that one.
3 rolls.
It works.
It works?
Yeah. Shutter opens. The escapement for the slow speeds might not be anything. I do not think that this one will ever work. Just put that out there.
Ever work.
Okay, well this says as is on it.
Yeah, I saw the battery
Okay.
compartments.
They're good dough. I ran
Oh,
a course for my
okay.
little brother. He's into them. We have a friend that
Do some
resells them.
cleaning. I think I have.
She found all the other stuff, and I told her, well,
Oh, I don't need a battery.
Oh,
Thank you
okay.
so much. Though.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day out there.
Take care.
Oh yeah. Get in there, Dad. We are here at the Astoria Column, the West Coast answer to the Washington Monument located in Washington, D.C. This column is supposedly meant to commemorate the explorers of this area, unclear. But what we're here to do is talk about the film cameras we were able to thrift at the local thrift stores, antique shops in Astoria. Without further ado, let's see what we got. I mean, paying you no money to be here, you know. Just go in order here, John, because you've got the mic. Then we'll do and begin. What you got? What you got today?
I have an Olympus Stylus Epic, Kodacolor 100.
Wow, found that all in the thrift store. That's impressive. $5. Well, okay, $5. Okay, Taylor, what you got?
Canon Sure Shot Owl. Just the big old viewfinder. Fuji 200.
I got a Franca Solita 3. It's a beautiful 120 6x6 camera. Looks like it's in okay shape. Got it for a bargain, $3.
Skylark. We're gonna shoot with this bad boy. Got it for free. They just handed it to me. They said, "Get it out of here. We can't sell it. You can have it."
The film I loaded in the camera today is Ilford XP2, an excellent choice for black and white photography.
What the fuck? Are you paid by Ilford? Now the next part of this journey is a little bit cut together sloppily. Got to the point where it was raining very hard, as it does in Astoria, I've been told. And so we kind of just started shooting some photos, and I just was filming video. There's not really a whole lot of structure to it, but you can kind of piece it together.
Do a little fake to my eye thing.
How you doing there, John?
My good buddy John was very warm and dry, and he was happy. He was not under any kind of coercion whatsoever. So whatever he says next, you should just go ahead and do.
You should have followed and subscribed to Elk and Bunkers.
Say it again. Say it like you mean it.
This
Got a gun behind the camera.
We're gonna make this video, and you are gonna like it.
And we found ourselves in the old abandoned like military base bunkers and things like that. A lot of elk all around. It was very beautiful, very picturesque, but it was pouring down rain, and that did cause a bit of an issue in terms of taking photos because it's just miserable and cold.
Smells like a wet basement.
Bad luck, man.
Supposed to open umbrellas in a bunker.
Yep.
Photography is still alive, baby.
My fingers are bleeding.
Oh no. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Clean it. Done.
I just got one more. I just can't get to it. Someone else try this?
Which way?
This way.
This way?
Yeah. So it says 12 right there. Okay, I'll give that a shot. Maybe there's film there, I don't know.
Please, by all means.
Let's get one of you guys right here. All you guys. The elk. What's up? Keep in there too.
Perfect. That's it.
You can still thrift film cameras in 2026.
Yeah.
Everyone's
Totally.
happy about it. All right, let's get the. And so the moral of the story, ultimately, is that you might not be able to find the highest quality of cameras in thrift stores in 2026. Hell, you might even not find cameras at all. And the ones you do find are going to probably be more expensive than they should be and work not as good as they should. But that's okay. I think the real film cameras that we picked up at thrift stores were the friends we made along the way. The journey that I think truly makes this whole thing worthwhile. But to answer the question from the beginning of the video, can you still get cameras at thrift stores in 2026? I would say probably no. Like, there's definitely places you can go do that. But by and large, I feel like the deals are just not there like they used to be. And the song Thrift Shop by Macklemore has just not aged very well either. So we're kind of stuck in a bit of a rut here. We're going to try again in the future, so stay tuned for that video. Make sure to subscribe here as well as my other channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Appreciate it, and I will catch you all on the next one.